Welcome to the August edition of Around the Market. I'm Mark, and I have to say, August hasn't kicked off on the best note. Most Western exchanges are trending similarly, so I'll take a closer view to the S&P 500. Plus, you'll get a quick overview of most key indices. Let's get started. The S&P 500. You'll notice that in July, the index hit that 162 level I mentioned in the previous video. Since then, the index continues its upward move. Perhaps the 162 level of this Fibonacci structure could become a target. Zooming in, with the higher volatility, I will change the price plot to candles. In the last week of July, the index hammered the first support zone around 54.50, which coincided with the 50 days moving average. On Friday, August 2nd, the index opened below the zone and also below the June 12th gap. This move, along with a lower close, signals that the window is closed. Short term, this is negative, and this level now becomes our first resistance. Luckily, the close held above the next support level. I'm going to adjust that first resistance, that first support zone that now becomes resistance, and I will extend this zone a little further. On Monday, August 5th, the index again opened below support, this time much lower, around 51.80. It managed to stay around this level and even closed above it the next day. For me, this level is crucial. If we close and stay below it for more than 3 days, that's not a good sign. However, if the index climbs back above it, that's encouraging. I'll extend this level as well. You'll also notice this rising 200 days moving average in orange. Will we hit this intraday? It's hard to say. Now, I will switch to a 3 month period and add a possible Elliott wave scenario. There are many possible scenarios, and while I'm not an Elliott wave master, I do know the basics. From the peak on July 16, now you can see a first down wave A, which we can break into 3 smaller waves. So wave A, smaller degree, A, B, C. Next you see a wave B, and now wave C is forming. Using Fibonacci, I can check the wavelengths. I'll draw a Fibo for wave A. From here till so. Then I place the 100% line at the end of wave B. You'll see that wave C hits the 162 Fibo target. This could be all for the correction, but you might see a test of the 162 level again creating some sort of a double bottom. And from there, we could head higher again. However, if wave C is actually the end of a larger wave A, we might bounce back to 5,400, 5,450 and then drop down to around 4,800. Short-term key levels for the S&P 500 are still 5,180 and 5,450. Let's have a peek to the other main indices. Let's look at the future Nasdaq. So here we see still that important zone, we could say around 16,800, a support level. And for the resistance, I could say it's that 19,000 level and a little bit higher, the 19,000, we've got 800. For the Netherlands, we have the AEX. There we see a big fall. We have here an important, a very important zone around 800. And resistance, I would say, that this level here, I will put it like this, 890, 890, 900. For Belgium, the BEL 20. This is very clear. Important zone around 3,800, 3,850. Important resistance around the level 4,200. The French CAC 40 will see an important test or an important level, support level, still around at 6,800. And for resistance, maybe I should move this zone. I will extend it. But this stop around 7,600, I think that's very critical. So I will add a new rectangle and I will place it something like this. So 7,600 is a key level for the French CAC 40. Next we have the German DAX 40. There you'll see an important zone, and we could say it has been tested a few days ago, around 16,800. And I will add a new resistance level around, I will place it something like this. So we could say 18,200. And last but not least, the Spanish IBEX. Here we see an important support level at 10,000 and an important short term. I will add again a new level, this one around 11,000. So for the IBEX, support zone 10,000, resistance zone 11,000 will be very important. Next study, the future crude oil, still moving sideways. I am waiting for a test of that $65 level, or a bold move above the 80, 85. That will be interesting. And last, the gold, also moving sideways, but yeah, it's making higher highs and higher lows, but so yeah, maybe soon it will be breaking out. Voila! Thanks for watching the monthly review. For more frequent updates, be sure to check out our weekly market spotlights. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed. This way, you get the latest insight as soon as they come out and stay ahead of major market trends. See you in the next video.